Are you gonna drink for a second? Okay.
Alright. Now we need to see your talent. Show us how to jump.
Jump! 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 You're gonna hand Daddy the...
No, you can jump better without that. Can I have that for a second? No.
Oh, okay. Where are you? Come on back!
Come on back.
There's Ted jumping.
Jump.
Jump! 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 Oh, that's a good one! You jump some more?
You throw your hands up when you do it. Just jump. It's the belly button.
Okay, Simon, you put down your cup and jump. You put down your cup. That's a good one. Finish your milk. Okay, you ready?
Okay, now we're really gonna jump. Oh no, down. Okay.
Why are we going downstairs? Simon. What? We go downstairs so... Oh, hold on. Bye.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, Simon.
Hey, I think he made it clear.
Okay, he did. All right. Can you say bye again?
Bye.
Okay.